Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, November 30, 2022. Now is a good and exciting time to invest in Jamaica. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made that appeal to potential investors at the Invest Jamaica 2022 Business Conference in Montego Bay on Tuesday. He asserts that now is the time to act as the country is making a remarkable economic rebound from the COVID-19 pandemic, creating many untapped opportunities for investors to capitalize on. Mr. Holness says one of the country's greatest appeals is the work that has been put in to ensure Jamaica remains a fiscally responsible state, even across different political administrations.
So if you are considering investing in Jamaica, you can rest assured that across administrations, regardless of changes in government, the political economy of Jamaica has changed its DNA to a state, to a country that believes in strong fiscal management of our economic affairs.
The Prime Minister says the goal is for Jamaica to be in the top 10 places to invest, and part of that is continued improvement in public bureaucracy while ensuring that the country becomes one of the most advanced digital societies in the region.
So we have put together a plan to build out our broadband infrastructure in Jamaica. We call this the National Broadband Initiative. And the objective is to ensure that everyone in Jamaica has access to reliable, fast, and consistent broadband, but more importantly, that all our businesses have access to broadband connectivity. And I can tell you that we are far advanced in this.
He also encouraged investors at the conference to explore the emerging untapped sectors in the country. Meanwhile, entrepreneurs are being encouraged to utilize the services and incentives provided by government to increase production to meet local and export demand. The call comes from State Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Dr. Norman Dunn. He says agencies in the ministry, such as the National Certification Body of Jamaica and the National Compliance Regulatory Authority, stand ready to ensure products meet international standards.
So they can help us to ensure that your product meet the required standards for local and international market. The Ministry of Investment and Commerce is your business ministry, and we commit to using all available resources at our disposal to assist you and any other Jamaican business for sustainability and profitability.
He points out that manufacturers and producers can also benefit from incentives such as the production input relief.
For you to gain preferential treatment with the imports that you have as a part of your productive operation, you get that relief. So please do not hesitate to use it because it's there for you to use.
Dr. Dunn was speaking at a recent function to launch the Montego Bay branch of decorative concrete services company Amazing Concrete Finishes Limited. Residents of Montego Bay are set to benefit from a new transportation center. Minister of Transport and Mining Audley Shaw made the announcement. The land is owned by the Jamaica Railway Corporation.
That's about 3 acres, and it will become the southern. So this is the northern transport center, and we are going to build the southern transport center.
Minister Shaw says upgrades will also be done to the existing transport center.
Even as we work on the new transport center, we are going to make sure that this one is adequately secured, including the bathroom facilities.
The Transport Ministry is partnering with the St. James Municipal Corporation and other state agencies to execute the project. The Island Traffic Authority will resume tests to driving vehicles during the inspection process at all ITA examination depots effective December 1. The authority stopped allowing inspectors to drive customers' vehicles in March 2020 as a precautionary measure due to the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. But Director of the ITA, Canute Hare, says that with the country now returning to pre-pandemic operations, approval has been given for the critical procedure to be carried out at the depots during the process for granting certificates of fitness. Test driving vehicles allows inspectors to look for certain issues, such as the effectiveness of the braking system. The ITA's director says resuming this procedure will again allow the authority to identify those critical issues that could be a threat to Jamaica's road and vehicular safety operations. And finally, the Agriculture and Fisheries Ministry will be working with teachers of agricultural science and food and nutrition on its national Grow Smart, Eat Smart campaign. Portfolio Minister Pernell Charles Jr. revealed the details of the initiative during his keynote address at a recent function at Shortwood Teachers College in Kingston. He says educators should begin to use structured curricula and programs that will allow for students to comprehend how to integrate concepts like climate-smart technology within their agricultural pursuits.
There are times when we have high production, and times when we have glut, and times when we can't find anything. So for you to have that steady movement, you have to bring in what we call resilience into agriculture. You, as our teachers, are expected to teach that from now.
Minister Charles Jr. is also urging more Jamaicans to get involved in agriculture by starting a school garden, engaging in backyard farming, or cultivating undeveloped land. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.